Welcome to English for Beginners channel. Today we are going to learn useful vocabularies for daily routines. You ready? Let's go. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Turn off the alarm. I wake up and turn off the alarm. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your hair. I brush my hair every morning. Clip nails. I clip my nails every month. Put on makeup. I don't have time to put on makeup. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have my breakfast. Go to work. I go to work by train. Exercise. I do exercise at gym. Thank you for watching.